But I want to see us go to London's high. So I'm going to go ahead and hold out here. See how we get a close. See if we can push up a little higher. And boom, TP's fully hit. Okay, so I just wanted to go over how I made the $500 today. It's gonna be like a little quick recap here. Let's go to select the bar. And so usually I hop on around like 9:15, but I went on 9 o'clock today. So this was partially a pre-market play, just because I had Confluence once I hopped on. But yeah, let me just show you how I would do my analysis. So I literally came into the day. I was like, okay, what could be our targets? So we have Asia's low here, right? And then we also have buy side resting above us, which should be London's high up here. Let's bring it up. Okay, where is my buy side? Cool beans. And then I was like, okay, if we're really bearish, we could take out this low from Wednesday. It's New York's low. Put the sell side here. So those are my targets. I was like, okay, we can either take out Asia's low if we're really bearish. We'll go ahead and take out New York's low from Wednesday there. And then if I wanted an extra target, which I didn't take this, but if you wanted an extra target from the 4 hour, you could do that as well. I just took the first TP, just making sure. So I was like, I was on the hourly, right? So looking at this, one might say, okay, we're just bearish because we're on a downtrend. Like we have this long candle here with momentum. We're obviously gonna dump, but I don't let that make my confluence. Like I don't let that like influence what's gonna happen. I go with what price is actually telling me. So on the 15 minute, I was like, okay, if we break this, we're obviously bearish. I'm gonna enter here, short this, target these lows here. If we hold this and we get a rejection wick, aka a protected low, then I'm going to go bullish and go towards this high up here at London's high. And we also have all this low resistance liquidity too. So both sides had pretty good confluences. It depends on what price wanted to do. So I'm going to go ahead and this is the low resistance liquidity. So I'm just going to do one on the 15 minutes so you can see. Just stop it there. So boom. That's the full rejection wick. It was already there, but I just wanted to show you guys. So once we got this, where is my marker at? Oh, it's literally right here. Okay, so once we got this rejection wick here, I was like, okay, boom, we're gonna be bullish. So then my target was gonna be up here. So stop at this low and then target out London's high. And the reason why this works is because we have, again, a protected low. Why is this low protected? Because we're inside of a fair value gap or a PG array that we rejected against, meaning that we're going to hold this, meaning that we're not going to break it, therefore this low is protected. If price comes down and breaks this, that means we're going to be bearish. And usually, once we have a rejection like this inside of this gap, we're going to hold it. So then I look for, on the 5 minute, I want us to get close up above this just to get extra confirmation. So this was my setup here. And then boom, we're going to watch how this plays out. Okay. And boom. So that was TP right here. And I believe we continue to go bullish here. I want to play this out because I want the actual continue to show people as well. So I believe we go to that high. Yep, perfect. That was the high on the 4 hour. And I wanted to show you guys this because a lot of people, once we came down here, a lot of people get stopped out because they think that we're going to dump. And a lot of people sell and they get scared and they're like, okay, this, we already took out London's high, so that means we're going to get a rejection wick and come back down. No, we're still incredibly bullish. We just like to manipulate. This was us tapping into this 5 minute gap. So we're not actually, as you can see, we never got to close. This is another rejection wick. We're not actually bearish. We're just getting a tap, testing out. Both of these guys could have a gap below it too as well. And they both stand and hold. So then we bounce off that and continue higher. And so yeah, that was just a quick little replay. I wanted to show you guys how I had my day and how I go about looking at the market, because I don't want to gatekeep trading. I feel like a lot of people already do that. People are charging thousands of dollars to teach you how to day trade, and it's really not that complicated enough to be charging thousands of dollars when this information is literally for free on YouTube. So my goal is to teach as many people as possible and make it as easy as possible to understand how to day trade. So if you like the video, like, comment, share, and subscribe.